In today's competitive job market, standing out is essential. Job seekers and career changers face numerous challenges as they navigate the evolving landscape of employment opportunities. From crowded applicant pools to rapid technological advancements, the hurdles can be daunting. But what if there was a tool that could give you a distinct edge? Enter job shadowing. This often overlooked method offers first-hand insights into your desired field, enhancing your job search strategy. By observing professionals in their work environment, you gain valuable knowledge that textbooks and online courses can't provide. Job shadowing helps you understand the day-to-day realities of a job and build meaningful industry connections. As we delve deeper into this video, we'll explore how job shadowing can transform your approach to finding your next career move, making it more effective and insightful. Whether you're embarking on a new career path or refining your current job search methods, stay tuned to discover how job shadowing can unlock new career opportunities. Let's explore the concept of job shadowing. At its core, job shadowing is an observational experience where you accompany a professional in their work environment. This opportunity allows you to gain first-hand insights into the daily responsibilities and challenges of a specific role. Unlike internships or apprenticeships, job shadowing is typically short-term and focuses on learning through observation rather than direct participation. There are various types of job shadowing experiences. You might engage in a one-day session, providing a snapshot of a typical workday, or participate in a longer program spanning several days or weeks. Each experience enhances your comprehension of the profession and its demands. Understanding how job shadowing works is crucial for maximizing its benefits. It involves actively observing and engaging with professionals, asking insightful questions, and reflecting on the experience to gain a clearer picture of your career path. By immersing yourself in the professional environment, job shadowing equips you with invaluable knowledge and a clearer vision of your potential future career. In career development, job shadowing stands out as a powerful tool that goes beyond traditional learning methods. By immersing yourself in a real-world professional environment, you acquire skills that textbooks can't teach. Through observation, you gain a nuanced understanding of the tasks, challenges, and problem-solving techniques professionals use daily. This hands-on experience is invaluable, providing a first-hand look at the skills necessary to excel in your chosen field. But the benefits of job shadowing extend far beyond skill acquisition. It serves as a gateway to expanding your professional network. As you spend time in the workplace, you'll naturally connect with industry professionals, opening up opportunities for mentorship and guidance. These connections can be pivotal, offering insights and advice that can shape your career trajectory in meaningful ways. Moreover, job shadowing offers a unique glimpse into workplace culture, an often overlooked aspect that can significantly influence job satisfaction and performance. Understanding the dynamics, communication styles, and values of a potential employer helps you assess whether a company is the right fit for you. In essence, job shadowing equips you with a comprehensive toolkit for career development. It bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, enabling you to step into your future role with confidence. By leveraging the skills, connections, and cultural insights gained through job shadowing, you position yourself as a well-rounded candidate, ready to tackle the challenges of the modern job market. Embrace this opportunity to enhance your job search strategy. Implementing job shadowing into your career strategy can be transformative. But how do you get started? First, identify potential opportunities by reaching out to your network, searching online job boards, or connecting with professional organizations. Once you've found a match, preparation is key. Research the company and the role you'll be observing. Prepare questions that will help you gain deeper insights into the industry and the specific position. Remember, this is your chance to learn, so be proactive in engaging in one. Maximizing the benefits of job shadowing involves more than just observation. Take notes, reflect on what you see and hear, and consider how these insights can be applied to your own career path. After your experience, follow up with a thank you note to express gratitude and reinforce connections. By taking these practical steps, You not only enhance your understanding of the workplace, but also build valuable relationships that could open doors in the future. Job shadowing is a proactive approach to career development, offering a unique blend of learning and networking that can significantly impact your job search success. As we conclude, let's recap the transformative power of job shadowing. It offers a unique chance to enhance your skills, expand your network, and immerse yourself in workplace culture. By integrating job shadowing into your job search strategy, you open doors to new opportunities and career growth. Whether you're a job seeker or considering a career change, job shadowing can be a pivotal step in your journey. So, take the first step today, explore the possibilities, and transform your job search strategy. Embrace the potential of job shadowing and watch your career path unfold in exciting new directions.